is Shirk Training, and we have Coach
Gaby. Hello, beautiful people. Today we have an awesome bat wings workout, all right? That little jiggle here, we want to say goodbye, tone it up. All right, so first we're gonna go through it with you, and then we're gonna do 2 sets with you. So first we have tricep kickbacks. You can't go wrong with these, all right? So we have a nice bend of the knees. We're hip width apart, all right? And we're gonna bend over a little bit. Our hands go straight down, and then they go back. And we're gonna keep them back here, and we're just gonna kick them back like
just
this.
Kind of pumping and making sure that you're gonna feel when you push back, you're gonna feel your core wanna open up, really tighten it up, and make sure your rib cage is closed down.
And try to keep your arms like in. You don't want to go out too much. We're going to keep them nice and close to our body and just go straight back, all right?
The closer you get, actually, if you can come back behind, that will get you even more. So if you want to increase, you can come even farther back behind you.
Yep, and that is our first exercise.
Really
and then we have monkey pumps. This is a mare special.
One of my favorite exercises. So
we love it.
Starting with your hands up, shoulders in line with your elbows, elbows in line with your wrists, hands nice and open, come open, and then you're up. You reach down, reach open if you can, reach in line with your chin or higher. It gets harder as you go higher to reach. Up.
Love this. This works out the entire arms, really. You even got your shoulders here, you got
my
back.
favorite exercises.
Yeah, it's the whole package.
Coach Greg's over here watching us. He's gonna do it.
Hi, Greg.
I'm gonna get him to do it. Good. Good. And when you're doing this, really separate that back as you come forward, pinch that chest, and then open and really extend, and then pull down in your core.
And next we have deltoid raises, also known as lateral raises. There's 2 ways you can do this. You can do it with a straight arm, or you can go ahead and bend it. I like to call these like chicken wings.
Exactly.
Little chicken wings, or you can go ahead and just do it straight.
And don't pinch your neck up, right? So when you're coming up, you want to squeeze your deltoids, which is that big muscle in the back of your arm, not the back, but on the top of the back, right? Top, back of your arm, really squeezing that top of your shoulder, almost rotating your hands out to feel more in the top of your shoulder.
And what helps work that muscle is the control. So you don't want to go over, you really want to just keep it at that straight line to your shoulder, right? That's where control comes in. Or elbows.
Yeah, the elbows and the hands, because if I'm coming up with elbows and she's coming up with the hands, it's the same. Just the point of where you stop and where that tension is.
Exactly. And last but not least, we have bent over reverse flies. So that bent over position we started with, and we're gonna have our hands down here, and we're gonna bring them out. We're flying.
Exactly.
We're flying, and you're squeezing your back as you come up, and then squeezing your chest as you come in.
Yep, so don't let your arms just flop down, right? Because that does nothing for you. Just always in control and pressing, almost like an isometric push at the end. Squeeze, push. Really feeling like your whole body splay out your chest and doing this, really get it open.
Straight back, a straight back. We're not arching, we're not rounded over, a nice straight back.
Yeah.
Spine health is so important.
That's what she's hinging her hips right here. So it's almost like the RDL when you're coming down. You want to hinge backwards. Yep. Hinge backwards and then pinch here so that you have a nice flat back and perfect form.
Yes.
Coach Gaby. Here, Coach Gaby.
Thank you.
All right, let's get into it.
Yeah, that was our demo, so let's go with our first set, 30 seconds each exercise. You got this, let's do it.
We're gonna have some water, make sure you're ready. Kind of get out a little bit. We're gonna do legs, but shake it out, boxer bounce, 10 seconds, get some water, get your towel, wipe off, whatever you need to do. One. All right. That was caught, by the way.
Coach Greg did that?
Good. So remember what Gaby said, if you're going out, you're gonna start to feel a little bit of pain in your shoulder. So really keep yourself controlled. And if you can, keep your arms back and just push through it. Good.
And your entire body is engaged. Even though we are working our arms, our entire body is engaged. Your core is tucked in, your legs are nice and strong, your feet are parallel. And moving on with those thoughts in mind to monkey pumps. Strong body, arms up.
Get into position, got 5 seconds, and making sure you're really starting from the ground up. Feet all the way up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up and reach. Really pull that core in as you come up. Meet the elbows in the front. Breathe in and out. Up and over, good. You tell straight from the back, making sure that you're staying nice in line. If you can, keep it up.
Nice bend in the knees, no locking your knees, nice tucked in tummy. long, elegant neck. Chest is up and proud.
I love Gabby's words. I like those things.
A little coaching
I'm like,
cues.
chest up, shoulders back, everybody. She's like, oh, it's nice and lovely today. You need the balance, right? We need balance.
Exactly.
Good. 7 seconds. We're going to start with, what's the next one?
Deltoid or lateral raises.
There we go. So remember, in a position, hinging your hips, right? A little bit here, bending, and got the lift. Really, almost like you're pushing those elbows right to that sky.
And smile, because we're having fun. Work those muscles out.
Yeah, keep a good breath. Make sure that you're into the nose, out in the mouth, and push down through your feet. Make sure your heels are in the ground, pushing in. Your butt is nice and tight as you lift, and push those elbows or your hands up to that shoulder level.
And breathe. I know it's so easy to forget our breath when we're focusing on something, but it's so important to deliver oxygen to your muscles when you're working out.
This is very true.
Always. All right.
Very, very true. Make sure you're breathing down from really standing up, filling your diaphragm, getting all that air in, and then breathing it out.
Very good.
There we go.
Next, our bent over reverse flies.
Hinging down and raise and really compress. We're gonna go through another round of this with you guys together. So hopefully you're ready for that.
I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Woo!
I don't know if the shirt is ready, I gotta tell you that much.
Why did we wear black today?
You know, seems to be the most flattering color. Just kidding. No, you know, I don't know why I wore black today, Gabby. It's a good idea not
We're
to wear black.
matching. I love that.
Always. Okay, get into round 2, 30 seconds, get some water, take a break, make sure you're keeping your arms loose, but you're just saying loose in general. So bouncing around, having fun. You
Arm
get somebody else
swing.
into this workout. Send it to a friend right now. You have 17 seconds. I'm waiting. No? Okay. You're in it alone. Grab somebody and do this workout because it's not too hard and it's gonna make your arms super sexy.
I already feel the burn. We only went through it once,
Feel the burn all
and
the
I feel
time.
the burn all the time. The burn doesn't stop.
The burn,
okay?
the afterburn doesn't stop for me. It's called training.
Tricep
do
kickbacks in position. Let's get it.
Kicking them back. I like to keep my palms open, but you can also close your fists.
Yep,
Close your fists
that's
and
true.
bend your wrists.
Oh, I
How about
actually
that?
feel a little
Right?
bit more.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Feel a little bit more in the top of your tricep, kind of that long head.
absolutely. Learn something every day. You see that?
Got to stay hungry for knowledge, Gabby. I
Knowledge
learn
is
something
power.
every
It's
day
what
too.
Yeah, I grew up hearing knowledge is power.
Ooh, good big breath. Good, nice. Lot
Shake
more
it.
here
Yeah,
too, right?
definitely felt
I know.
that. Love that.
Shaking it out. There's all kinds of variations. So when you're doing an exercise, close your hands, open your hands, turn your hands over, like put them up to the sky. There's gonna be all kinds of ways you can access different tiny little muscles that way.
It's like the smallest movement makes a big difference. Monkey palms.
Let's do it. Ready? Start from the ground up, reaching, and then up to the sky. And stay consistent with your movements.
Breathing. Remember that spine is nice and straight, that core is nice and tight, neck is nice and elegant.
Elegant. Just classing up our workouts right now. Good. Breathe, really pulling that core. Last one, because it's always the best one. You need to do it. Thank you. Always end with the last one's always the best one. And do one more just because you can.
Exactly.
Honestly,
One
you should
more
be
for
doing-
good measure.
Why not, right? You can do one, you can do 2. You can do another one, you can do 2 more.
Exactly. Or 3.
Or 3.
Why not? Bent over, reverse flies.
Ready? Hinging and squeeze. Really pull your core in. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Squeeze those shoulder blades.
You might hear our breath in the microphone because, that's okay. It's really, just, fill your lungs with air and then really release it, okay? Don't be shy with your breath. And
Oh, that is it. 15 seconds. Take that rest. Do it again and again and again because it doesn't take that long. And if you guys can do this right now, you can do it anytime. It only takes a couple minutes.
Yeah, if you have a break at the
You need
office and
space.
you want to get moving, if you're at a computer all day, your
Sitting.
arms start getting tense, work them out.
So hopefully you guys like that workout. We have so many more for you that are fast and easy and effective that you can do right now from home, from work, wherever you are. Make sure you watch Gabby's videos, Coach Greg, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.